Hey there! Welcome back to The Big Sweep. If you're new here, get ready to learn some of our awesome home organization tips. Today's video is all about making the most out of small spaces with some ingenious home organization hacks, perfect for apartments and tiny homes. Living in a cozy space doesn't mean you have to compromise on style and functionality. So, whether you're a city dweller or someone who simply loves the minimalist lifestyle, we've got you covered. Small space living can be both practical and beautiful. From clever storage solutions to multifunctional furniture, we're going to show you how to create a home that feels spacious and organized, no matter the size. And make sure you stick around until the end for a special bonus hack you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. First up, one of the best tricks for maximizing space in small areas is to think vertically. The walls are your canvas for storage. Installing floating shelves on any unused wall space not only creates extra storage, but also adds a touch of style to your space, turning your belongings into a decorative display. You can use them in the living room to showcase your favorite books and decor, or in the kitchen for easy access to frequently used items like spices or cooking utensils. Don't forget about the back of doors too. Utilize over-the-door organizers for shoes, cleaning supplies, or even pantry items. It's a game changer that utilizes that often neglected space. These vertical storage solutions not only declutter your floor space but also give your home a more open and airy feel. For a chic touch, consider using wall-mounted plants to bring in some greenery without taking up precious floor space. Hang around to the end of the video for a useful bonus hack. For our next hack, let's talk about furniture that serves multiple purposes. In small spaces, every piece of furniture should earn its keep. Investing in a comfortable sofa that can also convert into a bed for guests is a game-changing solution for hosting friends or family, without needing a dedicated guest room. Consider a stylish sleeper sofa or a versatile futon that can easily transform your living room into a cozy guest bedroom in minutes. Additionally, opt for a coffee table with hidden storage to stash away blankets, remotes, and other essentials, ensuring your living room stays neat and tidy. You can also find coffee tables that double as a workspace or dining area, providing the ultimate functionality in compact living rooms. If you're looking for something unique, consider a foldable dining table with adjustable height that can serve as a coffee table or a desk when you need extra surface area. And here's a favorite of mine, a dining table that folds down from the wall when needed, saving precious floor space when you don't. It's perfect for those cozy dinner parties or intimate meals at home. These multifunctional pieces are the heroes of small living. Keeping our closets tidy can be a challenge, but fear not. Let's unlock the hidden potential of your wardrobe. First, add a second hanging rod to double your clothes storage capacity. This ingenious hack is perfect for shorter items like shirts and pants, making the most of vertical space. You can also utilize tension rods to create custom shoe racks or even to hang cleaning supplies, turning your closet into a well-organized storage paradise. No more rummaging through a mountain of shoes. Another smart closet solution is to install a pegboard inside the closet door. This versatile system allows you to hang accessories, bags, and even jewelry, keeping everything within reach and in view. And don't forget to use cascading hangers to save space and keep your wardrobe organized. These hangers allow you to hang multiple garments vertically, keeping your clothes wrinkle-free and easily accessible. With these smart closet hacks, getting dressed in the morning becomes a breeze. The kitchen, a place that can quickly become cluttered in small spaces. But fear not, we've got some smart solutions for you. Let's optimize your kitchen and make it a joy to cook and entertain. First, consider adding magnetic strips on the inside of cabinet doors. These strips are great for holding knives, spice jars, and even metal kitchen utensils, freeing up drawer space and ensuring your culinary tools are always within reach. You can also use magnetic spice jars to save even more space and keep your spices neatly organized. Additionally, invest in stackable containers for your pantry. They allow you to optimize pantry space, keep dry goods fresh, and maintain a clean and uniform look. To save even more space, consider using undershelf storage baskets to hold lightweight items like kitchen towels, cutting boards, and baking sheets. Another space-saving idea is to use a pegboard or a rail system on the kitchen wall. This provides a customizable and stylish way to hang pots, pans, and other frequently used utensils, freeing up precious drawer space. If you have limited counter space, a fold-down kitchen table attached to the wall can be a lifesaver for meal prep and dining. Finally, don't forget the often underutilized space above your cabinets. Place decorative baskets or bins up there to store infrequently used kitchen items. With these hacks, your kitchen will become a haven of culinary creativity. Alright, here it is, the bonus hack you've been waiting for. If you're struggling to find room for your bike inside, don't fret. Mount some sturdy hooks on the wall or ceiling, and voila! You've got an awesome bike storage solution that won't eat up valuable floor space. It's a great way to keep your bike safe and secure while also freeing up space in your apartment or tiny home. Plus, it adds a unique and stylish element to your decor. Now that's what I call a space-saving win. Thank you so much for joining us today and exploring these fantastic home organization hacks for small spaces. Remember, just because you're living in an apartment or tiny home doesn't mean you can't have a clutter-free and stylish space. With a little creativity and these ingenious solutions, you can transform your small space into a functional and beautiful sanctuary. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and type "Happy Sweeping" in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos packed with more home organization solutions, design inspirations, and cleaning motivation. Until next time, happy sweeping!